Okay, I should start out at the very beginning of the video here plugging the Patreon channel. This was brought up to me by one of my fellow militiamen that I've known for a while, and he knows about the channel, he knows who I am and stuff. So if you like my videos, go over to Patreon, sign up to become a patron. You can donate $1 a month or whatever you so choose. The money that I collect gets used for supplies for the unit. Now, on to the meat and potatoes of this video, which is appropriate because of what we're looking at. This fry pan is manufactured by GSI Outdoors. This is a Bugaboo fry pan. This particular one is 10 inches in diameter, which is internal diameter from inside to inside. According to GSI Outdoors, they manufacture this pan in 3 sizes, an 8-inch, a 10-inch, and a 12-inch. This particular one weighs around 18 ounces, so it's just a little over a pound. It does not weigh much. The bottom, if you can see in here, is grooved. Apparently the reason for that is if you're putting this on top of a stove, a little propane stove or something, these grooves help bite on to the cook surface on that stove, whether it's the rings or it's just the little teeth, and helps prevent this from sliding off. There is a folding handle here, which, if it'll work right, you just squeeze it together and it folds in. Now, there is another version of this pan that they sell. It's called the Pinnacle. That comes in, I think it's the 8-inch and 10-inch size. You can tell the difference between the two by the pan itself. If you can see better here, the bottom of the pan, the outside here, is silver on a Bugaboo, and on the Pinnacle it's a grayish color. And then on the inside of the cook surface, the Bugaboo has only a single layer of Teflon non-stick coating. The Pinnacle has 3 layers. Now, I've had this particular pan for a while. I chose it long before I joined the militia because I was looking for cookware for carrying with me when I'm out backpacking and camping. And this size pan and its weight, you know, it definitely helps out. You can cook a lot of stuff inside here. It's large enough you can put a fish in it and fry it. Now, as you can probably see here on the handle, I'll mention this one little thing. If you're using this over a campfire, take the handle off. If you can tell on here, I found that out the hard way. First, it starts to melt if you're not watching, and then it starts on fire. And then you have to dump something over it to put the fire out. After it caught fire, and I noticed it, that's when I learned, if you're using this over a fire, squeeze it together, take the handle off, and set that over your fire. Now, if you're using it over a stove, a little propane job or an alcohol stove, you don't have to worry about it as much. But if you're using this over open flames because you're cooking it over an actual wood fire or something, take the handle off. And then just put it back on, slide on to one side a little bit, squeeze it together. And she hooks together. Now, GSI Outdoors on their website recommends the suggested retail price for this is 20 bucks. The Pinnacle pans are around 30 bucks, and they do go up in price depending on their size. But this is a fairly cheap one. You can find these at pretty much any camping and outdoor store. If you don't want to cache your mess gear, you want to carry it with you, this is a lightweight option. It doesn't cost a hell of a lot. It folds up and it fits inside a rucksack fairly easily, or as you see, you use it, it darkens the pan. So you could strap this to the outside of your ruck also, and it's not going to give away your location that easily. For washing it, just use soap, water, and a rag. I wouldn't go real hard on the inside with metal utensils or scouring pads and stuff. Just use that stuff lightly. You can use metal utensils in here. I usually do, and I just try to keep from scraping the bottom really bad when I'm cooking. So that's one of the reasons why the cook surface in there is in decent shape yet. How long have I had this particular pan? I'm going to say it's close to 10 years now. So I've used this a lot. Now for the young guys out there, I'll toss this in there and I'm sure someone will say this is sexist. If you want to see just how knowledgeable a lady is, and you take her out camping and that stuff, you give her a pan like this and have just a few ingredients, see what she can come up with over the campfire. You know, you make the campfire for her, get the little cook stand set up or whatever, but you know, just give her this and some basic utensils and that stuff and just a few ingredients and see what she can do. If she can whip up a gourmet field, you know, at a campsite in the middle of the woods, you know, you might want to get a ring on that as quick as you can. Now for all my engineer brothers in the Patriot and Militia movements, always remember, essayons.